Hi, Kevin Kelly with General Formulations. Today I want to tell you about a family of semi-rigid vinyls. Semi-rigid refers to the thickness and rigidity of the vinyl. A normal vinyl is typically between 3 and 3.4 mils thick. This line of semi-rigid vinyls is 6 mils, so about double the thickness. Now with thinner vinyls, a lot of our customers like to laminate the graphics to make them easier to install. Not necessary with our semi-rigid vinyls. They're already thick enough to apply easily without a laminate. Also, a lot of customers like to use application paper to make it easy to install. Again, not necessary with our line of semi-rigid products. These products are great for window graphics, make it real easy to install, especially when you have multiple stores where it's not practical to send an installer to every one of the stores. The store employees can apply these in literally seconds due to the thickness, the rigidity of the products. So these products are great, easy to install. Another application for these products is on corrugated material. For example, corrugated polypropylene. Here you can see the difference between a 3 mil or a 3.4 mil vinyl where you can see the corrugated lines versus our 6 mil semi-rigid vinyl where it hides a lot of the corrugated lines. This makes the display look a little bit more high quality. So these products can be printed on solvent, eco-solvent, latex, UV. I want to show you our lineup of products. We have 5 different products, white gloss, white matte, permanent removable, and transparent. So our 220 is our white gloss with permanent adhesive. 221 is our white gloss with removable adhesive. 222 is our white matte with permanent adhesive. 223 is our white matte with removable adhesive. And the last product is our 219, our clear vinyl with the removable adhesive. So General Formulations, semi-rigid vinyls, thank you very much. And please check us out on social media. We got lots of great photos, application, installation videos. Thank you very much.